see the ingredients. Bourbon biscuits are 120 grams, 2 packets, 1 glass of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, dry fruits chopped. Take bourbon biscuits and break the bourbon biscuits and put it into the mixing jar. Now I will grind into smooth powder. Now powder is ready. Now I am adding 1 cup of milk. If the batter is thick, you can add more milk also. Now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now smooth batter is ready. Batter should be like this. When you do like this, it should come in zigzag. Now we'll bake the cake in pressure cooker. Take pressure cooker, add salt at the bottom and heat for 15 minutes. When you are baking, remove the gasket and the whistle. Apply butter at the bottom and the around sides. I applied butter to the mold. Now I will sprinkle maida to take out the cake easily from the mold. Now tap it like this. If extra flour is there, remove it. Now I am adding batter. Add dry fruits. Mix it well. The rest I will use for cake garnish. Now we'll keep the mold in the pressure cooker. Tap like this before keeping the mold in the pressure cooker. Now mold is in the pressure cooker. Bake for half an hour. Keep the lid without whistle and gasket. After baking cake for 30 minutes with low flame, check with a toothpick. Check with a toothpick. If there is sticky, your cake is not ready. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes more. If there is no sticky, your cake is ready. My cake is ready and cool. Let's take out from the mold. Do like this with the knife. Now take out from the mold. Now we'll garnish. Now let's do garnish. My cake garnish is done. Now yummy simple chocolate cake is ready. I prepared this cake to all beautiful mothers. Happy Mother's Day to all of you. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching.